Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is ireoluwaibukunoluwa. If you are new here, welcome. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a ZHARA scarf. The ZHARA comes in two versions. We have the cap version and the scarf version. We'll be doing the scarf version, and I would like you to mention in the comments below if you would like me to make a video on the cap version, on the zharacap. So now I've already cut out my material, and then we'll be making use of this material, marco, and the scissors, and your measuring tape also. So the measurement that I cut out here is 48 inches by 24, depending on how long you want the scarf to be and the width of your head. So here I'm making use of 48 inches as seen, and the width is going to be 24 inches. 24 inches. The next thing to do is to get the middle of your marco and notch it. And I'll also do the same to my material. So I have my material notched. The next thing for me to do is to put the marco, the middle of the marco on the middle of the material, just as seen here. So this is how I'm going to put it now. I'm going to go this way. The next step is to sew on the fabric. Take note that we're not sewing on the marco, you're sewing on the fabric. So sew close to the edge of the marco here. Do the same to this other side here. And thereafter I'll fold, but I'll go to my machine now and sew these two sides, and make sure that this side is tight. Like you sew it with the marco close to the edge of the fabric here. And here is what it looks like after I sew the edges. So I've done the two edges. So the next thing to do now is to fold it in this way. Fold it inside. We'll be folding it all the way down to the left and to the right side. Or if you leave in allowance that you use to sew it, because we're not sewing on the marco, we're sewing on the fabric close to the edges. So we're giving allowance of about 1/4 of an inch. So I'll sew it all the way down on both sides. Here's what my ZHARA scarf looks like after I've sewn it all around. I've done this other side to sew it. You may not be able to see the stitches very clearly because I used red thread, but sewn it all around. And it looks video. The next thing I'm going to do now is to fold it this way all around, like fold it this way all around, and take it to my sewing machine and stitch it down. Sew it all around. I'll do the bottom part of the scarf too, same way. So I'll go to that now. This is what it looks like after I sew it. Like sewn the edge at the side. I do the same to this other edge, and our ZHARA scarf is ready to wear. With this, we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to your friends. See you in the next one. Bye.